Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tato, back again with the recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, we're making these delicious and easy to make stovetop chicken wings. Stay tuned. Let's get started, guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Now here I have my chicken wings that I just separated. I just removed and threw away the tips. Now I'm going to season with some paprika. I'm gonna go ahead with just a few sprigs of some rosemary, and go ahead with some thyme. Now guys, all of the ingredients will be in the description down below, but I don't have any specific measurements. You just season as you wish, okay? And we're gonna go ahead with the rosemary and olive seasoning. That's why we added just a little bit of the rosemary, just to, give it that hint, honey. Then I'm gonna go with a few teaspoons of my crushed garlic and ginger. Now the ginger is just going to be predominant in this dish. If you want that kick, honey, hot chili and ginger, perfect match made in heaven. Then I'm gonna go ahead with my spices. At this point you can absolutely use whatever spices that you like, but I do recommend these ones because honey, you guys know already. And then I'm also gonna go ahead with the traditional Braai mix spice, and I'm not gonna add any salt because all of these spice blends have enough salt. And we're going to add some soy sauce. It also has some salt. We're also gonna add some tomato sauce and some lemon and herb Nandos sauce. And honey, let me tell you, the mixture of soy sauce, tomato sauce and lemon and herb sauce, guys, I mean, it makes best for basting your chicken wings. If you want to make your sticky fried chicken, you can coat it afterwards. If you're doing a braai, you want a basting sauce, you can just mix those up. Guys, it is the bomb. It's so good, with just a hint of that good amount of chili in the lemon and herb Nandos sauce. It makes all the perfect combinations of flavor in the world. Now we're just going to toss them around and make sure to marinate for at least a minimum of 30 minutes up to 2 hours or overnight. Once your chicken has marinated and it's ready to your liking, honey, you can go ahead and add some oil into a hot pot, and we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken wings. Now the trick here is that you want those sauces, because those sauces are going to reduce and create that sticky chicken wing that you're looking for, as if you roasted it or baked it in the oven. So you want those sauces, every little bit of those sauces, you want them in there because they're going to reduce beautifully. And make sure that your heat is at a medium low. My stove goes about to a 6, so my stove was on a 4, so that you allow those sauces to reduce slowly, beautifully, without burning. I'm sorry guys, the airplane is in the air right now. So you want to use low heat so that the sauce doesn't burn, but it just reduces and creates that beautiful sticky texture on the chicken wings. And if you do use low heat, it's gonna take a little bit of time, about 20 minutes. Usually if you use high heat, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes for the wings to be done. But because you want that sauce to reduce beautifully without burning, instead to create that sticky texture, be patient, honey, and just keep tossing and turning them. All right, now we're gonna cover them just to create that steam in there for the wings to cook, and for the sauce to take a little bit of time before it reduces, because you want the chicken wings to cook before the sauce reduces and becomes sticky on them, right? So this is how it looks so far, guys. I think this is 5-6 minutes in. It is so beautiful. It is so gorgeous. And look at that, guys. It almost looks like you are baking, roasting in the oven. Look at that browning. Ooh, it looks so good, guys. It looks so good. So at this point, you just keep tossing and turning so that the sauce doesn't stick at the bottom, and it just covers beautifully on those chicken wings. And this is how it looks when it's ready, guys. As you can see, you can already tell how sticky those chicken wings are. They are ready. They're beautifully cooked, honey. Can you even tell that you did them in the stove, like in a pot? It's not roasted, it's not grilled, it's just, you know, fried on the on the pot. And look at that. Don't they look amazing? They look so good. And the taste, honey, it's beautiful. If you want to make a little dipping sauce with some ranch, you know, you can mix some tomato sauce with some chili flakes, a little bit of cream cheese, or a little bit of sour cream or mayonnaise, you know, some salt and pepper, a little bit of parsley or coriander, honey. Beautiful. So beautiful. And the thing that I love most is that they are moist. They are very, very, very juicy and moist inside. The color is just perfect. The flavor is on point. Oh, now back to school is coming up, guys. I hope you try this to make for your kids lunch boxes, if you do have kids. For your own lunchbox to go to work, honey. Back to work is coming up in a few. They're so juicy, guys. I hope you try the recipe, and I hope you enjoy with your family. And if you want to support the content, there's a join button down below. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.